What's up guys, everything in one, back again with another video, and here's the new Mi Pad 5 being unboxed here in the Xiaomi's official store. And as you can see, it comes in a huge flat box with Xiaomi Mi Pad 5 marked on the front. The Mi Pad 5 is available in 3 colors: black, dazzling white and dark green. It also comes with a 33-watt charger and some other stuff packed inside the box. The device comes with a quite reasonable price tag too, which you can find in the description area. The new tablet comes with several high-end features including 5G connectivity on the Pad 5 Pro, which places it on a good pedestal to take on the likes of iPad Pro, although 5G is missing from the standard edition. So as you can see, here's the new beautiful Mi Pad 5 along with keyboard style double-sided protective case alongside the tablet. The case is really good and premium, and it is something which will be really useful in some official works. The case is really good and premium, and it is something which will be really useful in some official works. In terms of display specifications, the Mi Pad 5 series is equipped with a large 11-inch LCD screen with a Full HD Plus resolution of 2560 into 1600 pixels. Following the current trend, it comes with a high refresh rate of 120Hz, a PPI of up to 275 and a contrast ratio of 1500:1. The device also supports up to 480Hz touch sampling rate. It comes with hardware anti-blue light and true color display functions too. Over the back there's a glass and metal finish housing a 13-megapixel rear camera and a Xiaomi branding over the corner. The Pro version comes with a dual camera setup having an extra 5-megapixel sensor. The device is equipped with Snapdragon 860 processor, which is quite an amazing chipset for mid-range devices. The Mi Pad 5 series is available in several memory options including 6GB plus 128GB version and 6GB plus 256GB version for the Mi Pad 5 and Mi Pad 5 Pro. There's also a 5G version which is also available in a sole 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage version. In terms of battery life, the vanilla Pad 5 packs an 8720 mAh battery with 33-watt fast charging support, and the Mi Pad 5 Pro crams an 8600 mAh battery under the hood and equally supports a 67-watt ultra-fast wired second charge. The company is introducing a new MIUI for Pad operating system for the Mi Pad 5. The MIUI for Pad brings several customizations on board the tablet, making it easy to use various apps, giving users a near PC level experience. The OS is said to be adapted to more than 300 mainstream applications at present. The MIUI for Pad also supports custom input methods, split screens, small windows, parallel windows and other functions, bringing a more convenient entertainment, office and leisure experience. In order to deliver a premium audio experience and video experience, the Pad 5 Pro has 4 built-in speakers, while the Mi Pad 5 Pro is equipped with 8 speakers in a dual-core arrangement. The interface of the slate is really not bad. The system is now more clear and clean, and the UI features more customizing stuffs. Well, I don't have any complaint with it, and the higher refresh rate makes the UI more snappy and fluid, which makes it more addictive. Let me know what are your opinions about this dedicated Mi Pad UI in comments below. Those who are wondering about selfie camera, yes, it does feature an 8-megapixel front camera which is capable of taking stunning selfies. So let me know what are your opinions about this tablet in comments below. We will soon cover a video on Pro versions too, so just stay tuned. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys have enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe the channel if you haven't already, and as always, keep watching and keep smiling.